Power crews in Northeast Ohio are racing to restore outages as a second round of strong winds looms. FirstEnergy says crews are working 16-hour days to rebuild lines and restore service, but outages persist across the region. Updates indicate wind gusts are complicating repairs and delaying restoration timelines. In Maple Heights, a fatal car crash was reported, underscoring the day's urgent emergency response needs. The Hambden Fire Department is responding to a utility hazard, highlighting ongoing risks from downed lines and weather-related incidents. Authorities warn residents to brace for more gusty weather and to avoid downed power lines. Local agencies continue to monitor conditions, clear debris, and assess damage as restoration efforts extend. The situation remains fluid, with officials urging patience as crews work to restore essential services and ensure public safety during the outage recovery period. Officials say full recovery could take days depending on wind and damage today.